Hello, FaZe Chaos here, with the FaZe Friends, IRL. Here's my setup. My TV, my Xbox. I have nothing else because I'm poor. FaZe Dolzy likes boys. So does Import. Magic has no swag. Maddox is gay, and so is David. Chaos out.